Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some lemon pepper Brussels sprouts. These were so good and easy to make, so let's get into it. So over here I have my Brussels sprouts that I washed up and sliced down the middle. This is my lemon pepper seasoning that will be available this Friday for sale, so make sure you guys save the date on that. I have lots and lots of fresh garlic and, of course, bacon. We're only going to use a couple strips of that. To this boiling water, you're going to add your Brussels sprouts, and you're only going to boil them for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. In this bowl right here, you're going to fill it up with some ice water. And what we're going to do is add the Brussels sprouts to the ice water so it can stop the cooking process. We are going to cook these Brussels sprouts again, so you don't want to overcook it on the first time when you boil it. So this is what this is doing right here. Next, you want to cook up your bacon. Alright, so now you're just going to put the Brussels sprouts right down in the bacon fat, facing the slice, the face side down, because what we're going to do is we're going to brown this up and basically toast it up to give it a lot of color and develop a lot of flavor to the Brussels sprouts. Next, I'm going to season the Brussels sprouts with my seasoning. It's lit lemon pepper, and this is all the seasoning I'm going to use because in this seasoning it has everything that I need. It has the sodium, it has the lemon, it has the pepper, it has the savory garlic notes, it has the herb notes, and that's all I'm going to use. I did add a pat of butter because my pot did get a little dry. And this is what it looks like after I let it toast up. As you can see, it developed a whole lot of color, and which is also flavor. So then next I'm going to add half of my bacon down in there, as well as my garlic, sauteed for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. It's nice and toasty, delicious. It was tender and just so good, and was not overcooked. So I'm going to plate this up and let you guys see what it looks like. So next I'm gonna finish it off by adding my bacon on top, just like this. And that's pretty much it. It was so delicious, you guys. It's a perfect side dish. Or if you just want vegetables, you just want a bowl of Brussels sprouts, it's perfect for that as well. Make sure you guys check out my spices that go live this Friday through my website. The link will be in my description box. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, y'all.